What's up, YouTube? This is Chris with Driver Motorsports. We got one of my favorite cars, if not my favorite car of all time, on the dyno right now. It is a 1997 Toyota Chaser Tour V. It's the JZX100. That is the chassis code for this car, okay? JZX100. It comes with the vaunted 1JZ GTE VVTi, okay? And that stands for Variable Valve Timing Intelligent, all right? So this is one of the best engines of all times, along with the 2JZ and I think the LS and the RB26, okay? That could all be discussed at another time. But like I said, one of my favorite cars of all time. JZX100 Chaser Mark II is another one. They're just awesome cars. So what we have here is 100% stock, except for the wheels. Okay, the wheels are different, but other than that, 100% stock. So we're gonna get a good baseline number with this car, what a stock Tour V gets you. This is a 5-speed car, so it has the R154 transmission. Another great thing about these cars is the transmissions are strong, they're tough, they can handle a lot of power. So this will give us a good baseline for how much power a stock Tour V will make with a 5-speed. So let's fire it up and let's see what kind of numbers she makes. Oh yeah, let me talk about this. Forgot about it. One thing. From the factory, Toyota says this makes 276 horsepower. That's 276 horsepower at the crank. This video is a real wheel horsepower video, okay? So we are measuring the horsepower value at the wheels, not at the crank. So if Toyota says it's gonna make 276 horsepower, my calculations with, drivetrain loss, you're gonna have some drivetrain loss. I'm gonna say it's gonna make 224 horsepower. That's my guess on what it will actually make at the wheels. So let's find out. All right, guys, we're back. All right, so we did the dyno run. Very quiet, but that's what you expect from a stock car. Sounds smooth though, like it should, okay? Again, I'm just gonna tell you this is one of my favorite vehicles of all time. And she made 234 horsepower and 230 foot-pounds of torque. So this is a great baseline for a Tour V, JZX100 Tour V, Chaser Mark II, Cresta. That's the number, okay? So we have a dyno sheet from my car that has turbo and some other mods. We'll talk about that in a little bit, about the difference of horsepower levels when it comes to that. But this is a great baseline. Moving forward, we'll use this number as this is the horsepower level that a stock car has. We did run this car in 3rd gear because it has a speed cut, okay, built into the ECU from the factory, and we couldn't run 4th gear all the way out. So basically, we have to run it in 3rd gear to get the horsepower numbers. In 4th gear, it may be a little bit higher, but this is really close, so.
Okay, so here is the stock Chaser Tour V. Horsepower is 234 and 230 foot-pounds of torque. Here we have that graph overlaid with my Chaser, which is running a GT Pro HKS turbo, GP Sports exhaust, HKS intake, and a Greddy intercooler. This naturally raises the boost to right around 0.9 to 1 bar, so it's about 14 psi compared to the stock car, which is running about 8 psi.
Make sure you stay tuned for more content from us. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the little bell thing too. All right, take it easy, guys.